So how can having your weld certifications in your pocket benefit you as a welder? So having your weld certifications can benefit you a few ways. Independently, you can be able to make money on the side. Say if someone needs someone that's AWS certified or certified to do something is for that weekend or a couple hours, you can get side cash that way. And you can get paid top dollar. And having your own certs in your pocket can put you in front of the herd as far as when you're trying to go get a good welding job, because you walked in with your certs in your pocket, and a lot of people don't. A lot of people don't walk in certified in what they say that they specialize in. So if you specialize in flux core, you should have some certs in flux core in what you specialize in. If it's TIG welding, have those certs in TIG welding. If it's stick welding only, have those certs in stick welding. I just think just having at least one cert in your pocket will put you above the herd, would have people respect you more because they say, hey, he put his money where his mouth is. And most people don't. Most people come to a job and let the company get them certified and the company pay for it and they cool with that, but when they leave they can't take them certs with them. The company keep those certs and then they got to go over that process again. But if you're willing to spend your own money and invest a little bit and get your own certs, it can benefit you in a lot of ways. Like I say, it can get you the top pay. So say a normal person might come in, say if in that area, say the top pay is $22 an hour, you can get that $22 an hour with your certs, showing that, hey, he already put his best foot forward. So they don't have no issue with that. Or if it's a situation where, like I say, it's a contractor and he needs some help, he don't have no problem with paying you $25, $30 an hour just for your time to come on and weld up his situations for him. You know what I mean? So I feel like having your AWS certs in your pocket can benefit you in a lot of ways.